let's see what we've got here. We've got two packages from EZDIY-FAB, which I thank for sending over these products, but let's see what we actually have in here.
Jack it up.
First package. Ooh, there you go. You already can guess what we have, and these are sleeved cables. Finally, I'm going to dump all those black plastic cables and replace them with this nice fabric white one. These are really incredible looking. But that's not everything we've got in this package, because we also have the RGB cable comps. What is an RGB cable comp? Nice question. Well, it is this bad boy right here, which you insert the cables inside and you connect this part to these cables, and you can turn on these comms with the remote. As easy as this, but really cool. We're going to mount them in just a second, but first of all, let's see what this other box offers us. Well, bigger package, as you can clearly see, and we've got a fan hub with a ton of connections, 10, 5 and 5 on each side, and some double tape to mount it on your PC. We have another remote, as you can see, and a lot of fans. 5 fans that you can connect with the app. Boom. 6. These are 6 fans. Sorry. I guess I'm going to be fine with fans for like the next 10 years with this package, and that's really cool. But I mean, I could easily mount them in my PC. But I have a better idea for these fans, because it's goddamn hot. It's summer, it's like 36 degrees outside, so I think I need to be cooled down by these fans. I think I finally have the solution for my overeating problem, and if you wanna call it fever, I'm not gonna say anything, but let's go. Oh fuck. This looks so dumb but so cool, man. Speed, let's crank the speed to the maximum. If you still use air conditioning, you are dumb. This is the the solution for all your thermal problems. Cold showers, not an option anymore. You can also customize the RGB while you are cooled off. Like, what are you asking for more than this? I don't get it. And if you're not the RGB kind of guy, just turn it off, no problem. This moves a lot of air, to be honest. Like, this is the paper included. Come cazzo faccio a spegnere ora? This is the process to mount these sleeved cables, or rather I should call them sleeved extension cables, because this is female to male, so you can use them with also non-modular power supply, But this also means that if you've got a power supply, you're going to need to use the normal cable you've got and this extension cord. But all you need to do is take the cable and also mount the comms if you want to. You just need to insert them in the cables. Take your original cable, in this case the 24-pin one, insert the extension cord, and then all you need to do is plug in the extension cord on your 24 pins on the motherboard. Installation done. If you want to use the RGB comms, you also need to insert this small cable on the back of the comm, which is right here. This is everything I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay tuned because you're gonna see some really cool projects in the upcoming weeks. Subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss them. And this is all for today, guys. See you next week. Bye bye!